Hello Saints, welcome back. Today I have a very special video and I'll be reviewing 4 pairs of lenses from the brand called JUST4KIRA coloured contacts. So starting with the packaging, as you can see the box says "Lost in your eyes." I really like that. I really like when brands have cute slogans and put them on the packaging like that. And on the inside it says JUST4KIRA again with the website, please do check it out. And it comes with a card that says thank you for your order. It has a bit of social media on there, and on the back it tells you how to put the lenses in, which is very important because some people just need that extra help. Now on the inside are the lenses, so I've already opened them and put them in their appropriate cases. However, I just wanted to show you what one of the boxes look like. Obviously there are different styles depending on the lens make. This one says Himura, but the lens is actually called Sosu Brown in this case, and it has all the information about the lenses on there. Their strength, I always go for 0.0 strength, and how long they last. Now these are the cases that my order came with. I really like them. I like how they have all the tools in them, and I like how the actual lens pockets, you know, the 2 little round circles, are part of the case, not separate. So to start, I'll be wearing these Sosu Brown lenses. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, show you what it looks like, you know, that sort of thing. And now I'm going to try them on. This is how I put my lenses in. I don't do anything fancy, I just use my finger. Alright, so these are the Sosu Brown lenses. They look really natural. They are dual toned. So one half is brown and one half sort of blends into a bluish grey. They're very comfortable, and I do think they stand out a little bit because of the duotone. Now these are the Acer green lenses. They're very natural, as you might have noticed. They do blend in very well. The green isn't as vivid as I thought it would be. That sort of works out. Now I like how they don't have a thick ring on the rim, because most lenses have that and these don't. Moving on, these are the Norco blue lenses. They stand out very much so. They're pretty cute to look at, but I wouldn't wear them every day if I'm being honest. But they're very nice for anime and cosplay looks and just exaggerated big eye, cute girl looks. They're very aesthetically pleasing. Last but not least are the crystal brown lenses. Now these are my favorite because they are the most natural of the 4 I picked. They blend in very well and they're not too far away from my natural eye color. And again, all of these lenses were very comfortable to put in. I didn't have any problems, and that's something I just look out a lot for lenses. So to sort of wrap up this video, I like these lenses. I do feel like they are very high quality. I like that JUST4KIRA gives you all the essentials and everything you need, though you will need your own lens solution. So do please get that before you purchase some lenses, because that's very important. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this review. Like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you Saints in the next one. Bye!